Guys, it's Cousin Gameplay channel, and today we are doing eating Lay's in class. They're a kind of chips like in Las Vegas. They have them in Mexico too. Se llaman Sabritas. They're called Sabritas. Okay, let's get started. Like before I start, this is a skit. I just never say it in my other videos because I mess them up. Okay, now let's start for real. Let me do this test. I have it on the side of me because my backpack is on this side and then right here is my desk, but I like it on this side. So let's do it. I'm hungry. Let's keep burning first. Let's see what I got. I got some Lay's, the big bag though. Okay, let's open this up. I like to open them loud. Okay, let's see. Good. Bruh. If you don't give me some, te voy a dar unos cachetazos si no me dices por qué no me das. No, bro. I took off my headphones so I can talk to you for real, bro. Okay, I'm not giving you any. For real. These chips right here are mine. They are mine. Look what I'm gonna do in front of you. It's so good. I can only get one more. You wanna play like that? Okay, let's do this. Teacher, 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 teacher! What? What? Hey, kid! Why are you raising your hand? Teacher! What kid? He's eating. Okay, fine. I'll give you some. Oh, God. Thanks, bruh. Let me get some right here. Here you go. Wait a minute. Wait. They're so good. I have to put my shoe down. Grab one more. Still one more. Now, don't ask for no more. Okay, I look different because I put my headphones on, but I do not care. Okay, now don't ask for no more. Let me get these in this set. I'm gonna grab my chips. It's good. Guys, I hope you like that video. Smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.